On a quiet morning in October 2025, tragedy struck in eastern Slovakia. Two fast passenger trains collided head-on near the town of Rožnava, leaving dozens injured and a nation in shock. Today, we explore what happened, why it happened, and what lessons can prevent the next disaster. What exactly happened in the Slovakia train crash? Two passenger trains traveling in opposite directions collided head-on October 13, 2025, shortly after 10 a.m. local time. The accident occurred on a section of track near Rožnava, a town in eastern Slovakia. Both locomotives were heavily damaged and several carriages derailed. Dozens of passengers were injured, including at least 2 people in critical condition. Emergency services, firefighters, and helicopters rushed to the scene within minutes. What was the official response in the immediate aftermath? Slovak authorities quickly launched a national emergency response. The Interior Minister, Matis Sutaj, confirmed that an investigation was underway. Hospitals activated trauma plans, and rescue teams worked to free trapped passengers. Early statements pointed to possible human error as a cause, though officials emphasized that investigations were still ongoing. Why are investigators focusing on human error? Human error is a common factor in train collisions. Possible scenarios include a train driver missing or misinterpreting a signal, dispatcher miscommunication, or fatigue from long working hours. These are not accusations, but working hypotheses. Investigators collect data from black boxes, signaling systems, and communication logs to determine what really occurred. Can a single mistake cause such a disaster? Yes, but only if the safety systems designed to prevent mistakes also fail. Modern railways use multiple layers of defense, such as automatic train protection systems that stop trains if drivers misread signals. When these systems are outdated, underfunded, or missing, one human error can lead to catastrophe. What systemic or technical issues might be involved? Experts are examining whether the signaling system in that region was modernized or still using older equipment. Other possibilities include communication failures, maintenance delays, or insufficient investment in infrastructure. If any of these systems were compromised, they may have contributed to the crash. Are similar accidents known in railway history? Yes. Several global examples show how human and system errors combine. In 2008 in Los Angeles, a distracted train driver missed a signal, causing the Chatsworth collision that killed 25 people. In 2013 in Spain, the Santiago de Compostela disaster occurred when a high-speed train entered a curve at excessive speed without automatic braking. In 2015 in France, a TGV test train derailed due to procedural mistakes during a trial run. Each tragedy taught new lessons about technology, oversight, and accountability. How are Slovak investigators proceeding now? They are analyzing event recorders, signal logs, and radio communications. They will inspect the tracks and signals, review crew schedules, and interview both staff and witnesses. This process can take months, but it is essential to separate proximate causes from root causes. What are the key lessons from such disasters? Install automatic train protection, ETCS, ERTMS, systems nationwide. Invest in modern signaling and communication networks. Ensure proper staffing and rest periods for operators. Strengthen training and safety culture across the railway sector. Guarantee transparent investigations and public access to findings. Each of these measures can save lives by preventing human mistakes from turning into tragedies. Why is public transparency so important? When accidents occur, people need clear and honest answers. Transparency rebuilds public trust, ensures accountability, and drives reform. If findings are shared openly, they can inspire safer practices not only in Slovakia but across Europe. Finally, the Slovakia train collision of October 2025 is a stark reminder of how fragile safety can be when technology, funding, and human vigilance fail to align. Every piece of evidence from this investigation matters, because understanding one disaster is the only way to prevent another. If you found this report informative, please share it to spread awareness, like the video to support educational content, and subscribe for more fact-based coverage of global events. Together, awareness can lead to safety.